Alright, I'm going to be replacing the MAPP sensor on a 2001 Silverado 6-liter V8 engine. It's right up under that plate right there. I done took one bolt out. You have to take the top of it off. There's the top of it. And right under that plate. And it's got one screwed right behind that cable and one's right back there in the back. So as soon as I get them three out, I'll get back to you. Okay, got that plate off. Now, those bolts are 10mm, and that back one, it's 10mm. But there's the MAPP sensor right there. You got to unplug that and take your screwdriver and raise that up out of the manifold. And I've got to tell you that top bolt is 8mm. I'll be right back. Alright, I got the MAPP sensor out. You see all that gook right there? That's probably why it's messed up. It ain't supposed to be there. But heck, it's 23 years old, so I imagine it's about time. Blades look good, but that MAPP sensor's messed up. Now that right there on the left is what it's supposed to look like. And there's some dog ears